So this video will be on how to make animations for Unity. And here's the finished product. Well, I just added some sprites from Sunny Island because Sunny Land because it looks pretty and it will work just fine. So here's what we'll be looking. Well, what it looks like is a working animated object and is moving like it should be as animated. So now let's move on to how to do it. So you start with opening the package. It got some good artwork in it. I really do like them a lot. So it depends on you if you want to have the environment or not. But for me, I just made it for the pretty purposes. So if you go to the player and choose any of it you want, I will go with the idle. So first, you add the player into it. So you can see here is our player, which is pretty small. It can be fixed by adjusting the main camera size, which is right over here. We'll make it smaller just for our main character, so we can see him better. So here's our main character, and what you want to do is you want to come over to Windows, and you want to go to Animation, and you put Open Animation. You can move it anywhere you want. I prefer it to be over here. So what you do for the animation, you click on the character, you press create, or create a file, ask you where to go. You want to save it with the idle together. So, or you can create a whole new file for it, but I'll just keep it with the original file. So here's animation, and basically what you do, you start recording, and you add in a character sprite. Also, this you have to turn it on before you do it. So here we have a character sprite, and that's a milliseconds. So that's like half a second, and that's a second. And you add one in for the first frame, and you add another one in at the 1 second frame, and you add another. Maybe it's not a second. I'm not actually super sure. Maybe it's like 20% of a second. And you add another picture you want to make it smooth. You can space it out however you want. Just add it anywhere in here, but have to be a different picture. You have to make sure this is on. After you finish that, you click on that, and it will save the recording of your animation. And if you press play, there will be animation right here. There you go. And that's how you make animation sprite or objects in Unity.